Alright, it's back again. Now we should have been rebooted and we're back into our host machine. Okay, as per the instructions here. And it says that we have to make sure that our variable is reset. Alright, so now before we said our variable we exported LFS or it was export live CD, right? So now after we're rebooted, that's all gone. So we can say echo $live CD. It's gone, okay? And that's okay for us because now that we're on a different documentation, he uses a different variable. So we can just say export LFS to mount LFS. Or actually, that's wrong. I want to say export LFS to export live CD. Let me echo that out. LFS, okay? That's cool. So I have to remount our device now. And instead of setting that variable again, cd dev, we're just going to say mount v ext3 dev or target machine hdb2 to $LFS. Okay, that's cool. Alright, so now that's gone, we says here we have to add device nodes that will be needed before dev has populated. Okay, so let's do that. We'll say make node. We'll say $LFS dev ram 0 b1 0. Now I don't want you guys to get confused, okay? If I say echo LFS, okay, I get that. Alright. Now when I say echo LFS and I hit the tab, you see that it changes to mount live CD, okay? That's all I'm doing, I'm just tab switching throughout. So you'll see the variable just disappear. Don't get it's not some weird FFmpeg magic, it's just me tab switching. Is that right? So you'll notice that from time to time. Okay, so now on to creating the init image file system. Okay, so to create our intro right now. And let me see, oh god. Okay. So let's say dd input file. We're going to say dev 0 of output file is going to equal LFS boot. We'll say init trid. Byte size is going to be 1024. Our count will equal 8192. Okay? Okay. Then we have to say make etx fs. Okay. Dash OI. We're going to say 24. Okay. $LFS boot intro. Okay. So essentially we're making our intro, we zeroed it out, and now we just formatted it. Okay. Now this is where the loopback support comes in. It's very important. I did not do this in the very beginning and I failed. I could not get past this point. That's why we had to upgrade our kernel. So we say LFS mount. Okay, so now it's mounted back on it. I'm going to say $ or CD into LFS mount. Okay? Okay. So let me see here. If you look at the very bottom, right, you see a long string of stuff there. But basically what it is that our target CD was mounted on live CD, right? And then we zeroed out our intro, formatted it, and then mounted that to the target CD mount. Okay? So there you go. Okay, so I am here, and now we have to make a few directories inside of here. Say bin lib dev proc and mount. Bin lib dev proc mount. Gotcha. Okay. Shore up my text a little bit. We'll make these nodes. Say make node $LFS mount dev ram 0, and we got to do 1 2 3 4 5 1 2 1 0. Okay. Okay. Take that out. We'll say null. It's going to be a character device of 1 and a 3 for a minor number. 0 is going to be a character device of 1 and a 5 for minor. Console is character device 5 and 1. Okay. TTY S0 be a character device at 4. And I don't know why he's offset here, but I'm going to keep it the same as he's got it. Okay. We got SR0, it's going to be our block device at 11 and 0. Okay. Let me go short up my text here. Looks good. Alright, SR1 is going to be block 11 and 1. SDA is going to be block 8 and 0. Okay. SD Bravo will be a block device at 1 6 and 0. Like I said, I don't know why it's offset, but I'm keeping it like him. SDC will be 32 and 0. SDD will be a block device at 48 and 0. I think, right? Okay. HDA is a block device of 3 and 0. HD Bravo would be block device 3 and 64. 3 64. 64. Okay. HDC block device of 22 and 0. Uno más. And that's going to be a block device of 22, 64. Okay. Oh, I lied. One more after that. HD Echo would be a block device of 33 and 0. Okay. So now we can clear that up. They're just hooking in for the device nodes, right? We need those device nodes. And for those nodes we need the character numbers, block numbers, minor numbers, and major numbers. So we'll say copy V $LFS bin. Need a copy over bash mount grep umount echo. Copy that over to LFS mount bin. Okay. Okay, that's cool. I'll say copy $LFS user bin test over to LFS mount bin. Okay. And we can also say user sbin chroot. Okay. Copy that over to LFS mount bin. Okay. We can copy the $LFS sbin pivot root $LFS mount bin. Okay, that's good. Set up a link between bash and $LFS mount bin sh. And we can also set up a link between test $LFS mount bin to bracket. Okay, that's done. That's okay. This next little part here, let me check my time. I'm only 10 minutes. Jesus Christmas, we got plenty of time. Compared to my other videos, this is great. So, on this next one, we have a few libraries we have to copy over. Okay, but my libraries are not the same as the documentation's libraries. And that's not why it failed. That's not why it failed. But your libraries may be a little different also. So I'll show you how to find that out. It's not that big of a deal. But we do want to shore this up, just so we get the top part of what we need. Okay. And we're going to say, I could say copy this over first and wait for it to fail and give me some error, but I'm not. I'm going to switch in between two things. I'm going to say ls $LFS lib, and then I'm going to say grep out, grep e. Let's say let me grep out in curses w. Okay, and I'm going to grep out libdl.so. Okay, then I'm going to grep out libc.so. Okay, okay, so those are what I have. So far it's looking okay. So let's see. Okay, so I have all these ones that he says that to use, so that's what I'm going to do. I'm going to copy these over. So I'm going to copy $LFS lib and curses w.so.5. Copy that over. Copy over libdl.so.2. And I'm going to copy over libc.so.6. I think so. I think so. Looks good. Okay. I'll copy all that over to LFS mount lib. Okay. And use the V-switch. You know what I mean? So you can actually see what's going on back here. Because if you don't have it, you're not going to get any errors on it. So, okay. Now I need to copy out read line, and I'm going to check and see if I got what history version I got, and I need BLKID, and I need UUID. Okay. I think so. I did 4. Did I get 4? 1, 2, 3. Okay. So now, I'll just take this out, and on the second line here it says read line. So my read line version is SO.5. His read line is SO.6. That's where I screwed one up too, because I didn't get the read line. Didn't have it. So I'm going to say copy lib read line dot SO.5. Okay. Copy that. I need lib history dot SO.5 is my version. Okay. I need lib blkid dot SO.1. I have that. And I'm going to say lib UUID dot SO.1. Okay. And I'm going to say to $LFS mount lib. Okay. Those are all over. That's okay. Now, shore this up. Then it says here we have to do an if statement. we'll do that if statement. I usually do something else there, but I haven't done that if statement in a while. Lib ld dash Linux. Oh my god. ld dash Linux dot so dot 2. If, let's see, found it, then we'll say copy bf $fs lib ld dash linux.so.2 $lfs mount lib. We can close this out with v. Okay. Now I don't have ld.so.1. I don't think so. I'm pretty sure I don't. Let me see. List $LFS lib ld dot ld. See, I don't have a so.1, so I'm going to skip that line. Okay, but if you got it, you should probably do that. Okay. It says here, cat, sleep, make note are optional but often useful when something goes wrong. So put them in the intros also. Okay. So we'll do that. We'll say copy for both $LFS bin. We'll say cat, sleep. You could probably put some more commands in here, but I haven't yet because the intrid is really, the intrid shell is really really slim, skimpy. You know what I mean? There's not very much control. You can't really do too much inside the intrid, but you know, that's that. Alright, so that's done. And the next part here, we have to make our Linux RC file. This is going to take some time. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to stop the video and we'll start fresh. This is going to take a few minutes, maybe 20 minutes or something like that to script out. But after this is done, we're almost there. So, alright. So I'll cut the video. I'll see you in the next one.